Jackie made a funny face.
Why is that cake make a funny face? Oh! Zach, my mama.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Hopper! Hopper! I know, I saw that.
Why?
Because they love each other. Maybe they're talking to each other. Let's see. What are you saying, Jack? Bobblehead, what are you doing? Okay, be gentle with him now.
Why?
Because you always have to be gentle with babies. Okay?
No.
No, yes, yes.
No.
Yes, yes.
No.
Marley, or you're not going to touch the baby. You got to be soft and gentle or you don't get to touch them at all.
Can you squeeze them so hard?
No, if you do that, you're in big trouble.
I just want to.
I know, but you just cannot do it. If you do it, Marley, I'm going to put you in a timeout.
Don't do that either.
Well, those are your options.
It's to get my time out and just get you sit in my time out, sit, and just I close the gate and Daddy close the gate and Daddy go upstairs. Daddy close each gate and I just stay downstairs. Is that me? That.
I can't see Jack's face. Oh, no, always ends with a spit up.
Why? I'm getting toilet pee.
Bobblehead Jack. No.